Welcome to my channel. Friends, today we are going to understand what is auto layout in iOS. Auto layout is based for iOS application design. It is necessary to understand all about auto layout. So friends, let's start. Friends, you are new. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and please watch this video to the end to understand all basics elements about auto layout. Let's start, friends. Friends, you will learn what is auto layouting, what is the importance of auto layouts, and how you can add auto layout, what are the basic elements used to add auto layout. All these things we are going to learn in this video. First, auto layout is a technology that used to define a layout of all UI elements in iOS device and Mac applications, which means using the auto layout technology you can create a design which works same in all device, all it works in a same way in all resolution device like iPad, iPhone, all. Main goal of auto layout is to create an interface that adapt layout automatically as per screen resolution. So you can create a design in one device, let's suppose, and the auto layout is responsible to adapt automatically the design in all device, same way, same resolution. L- so main goal is to design a auto layout. These are the importance of auto layout. You can create uh, you can easily add constraint to all UI elements. You can represent relationships of two or multiple UI elements using the auto layout. You can present correctly elements of your UI using auto layout. Your auto layout is defined and calculate the size and location of each and every element in your screen. So these all are the importance of auto layout. It is necessary to learn auto layout for iOS development. Without this, you cannot create a best design application. So it is required to learn auto layout. You have to. So friends, main auto layout part is leading, trailing, top and bottom. Let's suppose you have take one view. You can you can set its left margin, right margin, top margin and bottom margin. Left margin is called a leading, right margin is called trailing, same with top and bottom. It defines your views position with main view. Next is you can set your view in a center of your screen by center horizontally and center vertically. Center horizontally is used to center your view from horizontal widthwise, and you can center your view vertically or height wise using a certain center vertically. You can define a specific height to the view and specific width to the view inside your screen. Now, when we are working with multiple or two or more than two views, you can set spacing between the two views. You have learned about leading, trailing to main parent view. Now you can how you can add spacing between two views. You can add a horizontal spacing between two views. You can you can also say that you are giving a leading to a second view with respect to first view. This way you can create a horizontal spacing or an vertical spacing between the two or more views. This way you can connect multiple UI elements in what is a looks of your constraint in a different resolution devices, how it looks in all different devices. Your constraint, your position of your view is not changed. You have set a fixed height width, so it will change as per resolution of screen size. And next is a horizontal layout, how your constraint looks in a horizontal view in a different device. First is iPad, then notch device, and without notch device. So auto layout is useful to look your UI same in all kind of all resolution devices. So it is very important, and it is required to for iOS development and for iOS app design. You cannot skip this. You have to learn this. So just practice, and by the practice you will easily understand how it works, and then you can easily apply to auto layout to your application. In a starting, you have to try a very simple layout with two or more views. Then you try step by step with little complex layout, and then you can try with more complex. This way you can easily understand how the auto layout works. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.